Morning guys. So I'm making a comeback and here I am with my waist trainer on just because I'm 2 weeks post hernia op, inguinal hernia. So I'm gonna have my first calf workout back. I'm leaving it light and we'll see how it goes. But it's very important to make sure that you start moving. There's no pain, so I'm excited about what's about to happen. I'll let you know. So here we go. First workout back post hernia op really, and I'm looking forward to this. Got my waist trainer on, but I can't even feel a thing. So 2 weeks post and 1 day post op, aren't we?
Yep.
Me, Reg, and Sarah, the beast from the east. We're gonna do this. Just put the on there. All right. Nice skulls.
Nice.
Feels light.
Good. Come on. Nice. Good.
Oh yes, burning. Feels nice. Oh,
Well done. Well done. Well done.
we're here doing bent over single arm dumbbell rows off the bench, supporting my core, but it does apply a bit of tension to it, cross tension, which isn't causing me any problems. Just do it strict.
Yes.
Oh yeah, getting more confident every set.
Yeah. Good.